Fearless, bold, a natural-born leader. These are the traits of an Aries, and for these traits, we're starting off with a deep berry lipstick. But today we're skipping the bottom lip and instead blending the color down with a lip brush. For a truly seamless blend, dab the tiniest bit of lipstick on the center of the bottom lip and continue blending. To intensify the gradient, top the bottom lip with a clear gloss. Here I'm using one with purple and pink glitter. But don't put that lip gloss wand away yet, because we're using it, and the lipstick still on it, as our blush for a dewy skin finish. As daring as they are, Aries wouldn't be afraid of the inner corner trend, and neither am I. So here I'm doing exactly that with a matching eyeliner, using the lip brush from earlier to clean and blend those lines. For that final flare, apply a generous coat of mascara, or, if you're extra daring, a second coat. Lastly, to pull it all together, I'm tapping on a purple-pink duochrome highlighter. Now you're ready to lead with confidence and tackle the last day of Aries season head on.